The sizeof operator is used to determine the size, in bytes, of a value type. This can be useful when optimizing performance, managing memory, or working with low-level programming tasks. The operator works with built-in value types such as int, float, and double. When used with these types, the result is a compile-time constant. For example, sizeof int returns 4 because an int occupies 4 bytes of memory. To use the sizeof operator with user-defined structs, the code must be marked as unsafe. This is because the size of a struct can vary depending on its layout and alignment, which requires a lower-level operation to determine accurately. The operator cannot be used with reference types like string, object, or arrays. Attempting to do so will result in a compile time error.